debt. I will describe Ghana's economic situation as a crime scene. You are taking these guys on Babe A plus could be there. Me, I don't know.
A plus no.
A plus can A plus more with this amount. Maybe even can help us with the amount of Moko too. But Babe.
Mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana SM TVGH so wo frame adwoa searching. Ebusuafo enche bia na tumi no ewo NPP amayoko no omo ensem. Na abra na tumi no wo NPP fo ho no. Omo yese member of parliament me kire MPs no omo ko have a meeting ewo honorable Brian Echampon ni hotel. Na ne eye honorable speaker a speaker of parliament Aban Bagbin a kasabe ye dede and a sika omokakotu e wo Brian Echampon ni hotel akwakoye meeting na your more orientation and yasam keto sika no nye sika bawa enti nyadria on member na MPs no akwa have a such meeting e wo hotel because e Ghana sika Ghana ye na yotia tax ni sika e se so omo de ya de papa e no omo kasa ho na de ade a enche e na tumi no asesa akwakodi NDC funse na NDC for MPs no NDC for no e no omo sese no so tumi na bedi omo nse mo so omo ko orientation no orientation no member of parliament e kwakoye no enso omo akoko high hotel e wo ho a omo sese hotel ne enya ebuketwa heavy one expensive enya asemketwa akra na ebeto oduan Ghana fo bia kasa ho ena no sompa FM omahene ya wadubu ache efre MP bako NDC ni a o kire se woni sisi ni parliament no modoso in the 16 bi wo honas wo take in NDC NPP for no was want asia one for asem nko because omo ye more than e fe de say MP so mbeti me take omo ankasa omo the 16 in NPP for do omo for mo kra na e pese bi se NDC for ne say is NDC from why am address e mo no se mo opposition a je se mo be cassette ya bibia but mo ba power to me ni bedu mu nsema ye mo be na mo ye na se obi mo kwa koye meeting e wo bi ni hotel na se scan so na mo anya nkwa na mo kwa have meeting e wo your friend say ho what's hotel ni asem kweto na no what's mo koye e meeting e fa galamsey ho e wo Kempiski adenti na NDC for MP for motesa ene ye Ghana ska nenu ena owura Kwame Adinkrah e kire se on the side se be koso na bia na bufu se Kwame Plaza jese Kwame Plaza omo akwakoji room ba ko enye sika ketua erize room Kwame Plaza kwakoda no ena owura Kwame Adinkrah ena na bedwafo so omo nti ase
distinction no luck, all right, and skills. Okay, so Babin's hypocrisy exposed. No.
Okay.
Over MP's orientation.
4 years ago, Kufuado winning 2020. No. Unti aneka say omo the new MPs no be omo orientation or Rock City. Babi. Rock City ne Brian Champon na yene dia was IMPP no te parliament on ye say kakraka no so never he must sign somewhere before parliament can reimburse the hotel or share amount no was me any Adinkrah nyanye oh yeah, some of their pronouncements inside the chamber no they cited can say Brian's name say MPs or mine MPs and as politically exposed individual the private hotel if could try this much for a simple orientation that we can do inside the chamber. Today, me no can say no mkoi. So that's Volta Serene Hotel. I mean, Volta
is a nice place.
Eastern region, no chronos, forest, the people.
Volta Serene, Madam. Okay, first we could do 1 week.
And then they have you.
I am telling you, the place is just nice.
Because of booming 24 hours by
Volta Serene.
Goodness.
I want Papa Pafu.
And I'll be inheriting a very haphazard economy. Over 720 something billion Ghana cedis in debt. I will describe Ghana's economic situation as a crime scene. You are taking these guys on Babe A plus could be there. Me, I don't know. A plus no. A plus guys I'm doing right. A plus more with this amount. Maybe even can help us with the amount of Moko too. But Babe and to me and Vanessa as a protector of the public purse 4 years ago. No, I know what I say. I'm sure he was the first person to call because he will give a keynote address. And as I'm hearing say minority na boycott. It means the minority chose not to represent, but the others are all there spending already.
On the front page of the Daily Guide, minority boycott orientation for MPs. Hey, uda babonio. I got to computer business. Already there. Okay. Now, because this way I got there. Minority boycott orientation for MP. He has a photograph of Arnold Dompre. Sophia Kufu advocate extractive policy reform.
Why now? Why now?
No, every day I say, "Oh, come on,
Sophia Kufu."
No, I thought
I'm not here. I'm here, Kwame.
No, what I'm so we.
No, I didn't get the money, but we will get it. But
do you have it?
How much they are spending on that already?
No, sit down and do it. You know, if you have it.
Speculated. What is in the news here say they are ranging about 1.2 million Ghana cedis. These are speculations.
Speculations away. Hotel obi anu in the price. The type of rooms are more
suits.
Okay, presidential and also. But in executive rooms, deluxe and executive rooms. Yedim ni anebo.
Minority reason to boycott their reasons are untenable. The reason is that the cost component is too much and they don't want to be part. Please don't allow your political differences to enslave you. There are good reasons why we chose venue. It's not speaker.
I don't know.
It's not partisan. There's always a search party who go around and discuss with the various hospitalities. Look at the cost component, the facilities, the suitability and the convenience of your movement before we decide where to go.
All right.
Speaker, I don't know.
Also a common sense the president I want to come up with one. Okay, say David something songs of Solomon ho baby and I connect. Okay, Solomon Nakasano. Solomon Nakasano. My kind time with that number say Ghana shane di bu man no enye nhihye papa. Say yense san no a say edebe na ma obi danya ne say ye koto sky train abagana omani nyina na abotrimu po say your national policy sabre ye wo wi policy ne say ye koto sky train where the discretionary say where your constitution no ma the executive no manipulate system no or de ope masa ase enipa bia yentime nwene ne apake abegu baby baako. For example, we are mampanyina odanya ne ase me koto sky train odanya ne ase me kwa kusi national cathedral, then yasa the state resources akochase say obi skadi bia fansa entem obi aya corrupt ewum o transnational Ghana